I'm going to box off the answers that we got and explain to you why these numbers are in lowest terms. First of all, whenever the numbers are in counting order, in this case we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you can put it into counting order, 9, 10, this is in counting order, 3, 4. This is in counting order, 1, 2. This is not in counting order. We don't count 1, 2, 3, 8. We don't count 6, 7, 9. All right, so our counting order is 9, 10, 3, 4, 1, 2. Whenever you notice your fraction ends up in counting order, you can be sure that it's in lowest terms. So there's nothing else to do to these three numbers because we've already put them into that one interesting category strategy rule. This one is further not reducible because anytime a fraction has 1 as a numerator, it's in lowest terms as well. That just leaves this fraction and this one to sort of worry about. It might follow the other rules that I was talking about before. But in this case, we're working with this numerator that it is lower than the denominator. And so we don't have an improper fraction. And we also are working with a number that's prime. Prime means that the only factors of 3 are 3 times 1. A prime number only has factors of 1 and itself. So in this case, our numbers 1 and 3 would be the only thing that you could multiply together in order to get a 3. So the only number that would further reduce this is the number 3. But 3 will not reduce 8 because 3 does not go into 8 evenly. That's what makes this particular fraction in the lowest terms. Over here, we have the same situation. 7 is smaller than the denominator, so we do not have an improper fraction. We can't apply the mixed number rules to it. 7 is a prime number. The only way we can get a multiple of 7 is to say 7 times 1. So the only number that would divide into 7 would be 7. But 7 will not evenly divide into 9. That's a quick explanation. I'll do a better job on it as we get into the fractions that actually these rules might apply to them. In the meantime, your answers to these problems are in the lowest terms. We were just worried about the improper fraction part of it. And 3 of them jumped out at you, counting order, and a 1 as a numerator of a fraction, and those always are in lowest terms.